Bam! What's up, y'all? It is another month of quarantine. Straight up quarantine, y'all. But at least we got another loot crate. Yep, that's it. Another loot crate. Do my baby. Let's see, what's the best way? Boom. Loot crate. All day and day. Ready for this? This is the March box. Alright, so we're in the middle of May. This is the March box. March's theme was Beast Mode. Yeah, that's right. Like Marshawn Lynch of the LA Raiders. Does he still play? Is he playing this year? Good question. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into this baby and see what's in it. It's kind of beast mode it is in here. Alright. You know what I think of beast mode, like automatically besides Marshawn Lynch? Transformers. That cartoon series where was it called Beast Mode? I don't know, I can't remember, but I remember the Transformers. So, here we go. Liam? Okay, it's kind of a light box, it feels like. And it looks like. There's a Fallout shirt in there. So, let's see what else we got. Oh, that's pretty cool. I mean, I guess they're going back to adding inside decorations where you can flip the box inside out. And sorry, that's my toilet running. I gotta fix that. It's an easy fix. I just been lazy and not doing it. Anyway, so not Fallout, but Beast Mode. Let's get into it. All right. This is the item that they were showing in. They revealed. It was like, you're gonna get this in the Beast Mode, and I really hate when they tell us what we're gonna get. It's a surprise box. That's the reason why we get the boxes, because we want to see what's new, something that's gonna surprise us. But Godzilla. This is the Godzilla 1954 Godzilla. There's another one that's like this. It's called Mega Godzilla, and it's kind of funny looking. Is that a keychain? It is a keychain. All right. Well, he will go with my other collections of figurines that I've collected from Loot Crate. I restacked them. I used to have them over here in this little area, but now I restacked them into another area, which is cool. No problemo. Alright, so you sit right there. This was under the shirt. Last time I had a box like this, it was... What is it? I can't remember. Alright, so Cryptkins. Weird looking items. That's the only one that looks pretty cool. Alright. Cryptkins. We'll see what this is all about. Cryptkins. How you guys enjoying your little chord game? Come on. There we go. I've worked a little bit, not much. So, alright, let's see. What is that? Okay, there's a little card. Once again, inside of plastic. Yeah, he's a weird looking thing. A griffin. I think it's a griffin. What do you think? Does it look like a griffin? Looks like a griffin, you know, lion with a eagle head, some wings, lion body, eagle head. I don't know. What's... Oh, that's a sticker. Okay. So, I actually got the first one on this list on the box, but there's all the other ones that you could have got inside the Cryptkins. All right, collect all 13 of them. This is series 2. Okay, so that's out. Done with that. What else we got here? Got some coasters. Nessie Crossing coasters. I have some other coasters that they gave me that I got from them before. I think they're Zelda. Oh, this is a pretty cool pin. So there's the pin. See it? Alright. I don't know. I can't really tell. Focusing. I'm using my flip phone. I can see the picture, but I can't really see the picture. I'm using the front camera, the back camera. Yeah, and I can. There's a little screen I can see. But yeah, here's the. There you go. Slaying the dragon, I guess. That's pretty cool. And let's go ahead and do this one. All right, we'll just get this into the shirt, and it's Fallout. I'm tired of black shirts, really. It's getting hot. What we got there? What we got? Oh, that's some ratchet looking thing right there. Does it glow in the dark? It glows in the dark. That's what's up. I think it glows in the dark. I can't tell. No, it doesn't glow in the dark. Looks like it will glow in the dark, right? Put it up to light. I don't know. It seems like it will glow in the dark. It'd be cool if it glowed in the dark, right? Fallout shirt. Crazy looking creature. Now, here's something else inside this box. It's missing something. It's the letter. Dear looter, we are sorry to report that one of your items is missing, but fear not. We wanted to get the rest of your items to you as soon as possible, which means we'll be shipping your missing item in a future date. Thank you for your patience and understanding. Sincerely, Team Loot Crate. Crazy, right? And as always, you get the little barcode of what was inside the box. So I am going on there right now. So I want to see if this thing was glow in the dark or not, this shirt. Alright, so it's Fallout Death Claw t-shirt. And you know what? I'm gonna show you because I see that. And no, I'm not gonna open these. I might be able to give these away because I'm not gonna use them. I have coasters, but there's 4 different coasters. So you have the Sasquatch, a Nessie, a Kraken, and something else. Let's see. Mothman. Alright, so I'll show you to you right here. There you go. There's the other 4 of all 4 of the coasters that's inside the little package. So I'm not opening it up. I see what I'm missing, but I am not going to tell you what I'm missing. I'll leave it for later, okay? I'll show you later. That don't make sense. That doesn't go with the theme. Alright, so let's get into the beast mode. Let's see the things. What do I give this box? I'm gonna give it a B+. It does stick with the theme with the beast mode. Godzilla is definitely a beast. Don't know what this is. I mean, it's a beast, but really, The pen is real cool. I guess the coasters of different beasts are alright. The shirt would be really cool if it glows in the dark. Missing one item. I know what it is. It doesn't seem like it goes with, oh, yes, it does. It does go with it. A small part of it goes with it. Anyway, so B plus. Not really enthused about it. I mean, it's a beast mode, but it is the regular Loot Crate box. So let's hope the DX box, which should be coming soon, has a better content inside of it. We'll see when it comes. But in the meantime, thanks for watching. You know what to do. You know what to do. Stupid toilet. My toilet's running again, so I'm gonna go catch it. In the meantime, subscribe, like, comment, and do all those things. And I'm out. Beast mode. Boo-ah!